Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a black cat surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween black cat surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. This way it kind of looks like I have a birthday card. Next, I'm going to take this one more time. I'm going to fold it again, line up the corners, and it kind of looks like I have a big bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open up my surprise fold. Now to start off with our Halloween black cat surprise fold, let's begin by making the nose. I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a little V shape like this. And a little line across for the nose. Now for the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down like this with a curve. And same thing here, let's just go up and down with a curve. Then we'll draw a little line across for the bottom of the eye. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a little line that curves in. And then same thing here, a little line that curves in. Next, I'll make a big tall oval inside of the top of each one for a little reflection. And then I'll do a small circle at the bottom for some more reflections. Then I like to just come in here and just color in this part, just to make a nice big pupil. I'll do the same thing here, just color this in, so we can make a nice big pupil for our little Halloween black cat. Then right here I like to make two little lines right above it for some eyebrows. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and it's going to curve to here. Put a couple little points for some fur. Then I'll bring this line down and out here. Now I want to make some ears. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. Then the same thing over here, bring it up to a point and down. Let's make some little zigzag lines across the bottom. And a little line's going to come up and then down. Same thing here, just go up and down. Now let's work on the bottom. Let's start here by drawing a little line that's going to come down and then up, kind of like a big smiley face shape. That'll be the bottom of the face. And then we'll make a little smiley face. On each side, let's draw two lines, just to make some whiskers on our little Halloween cat. Now let's start here. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come in like this. And same thing over here, let's just draw a line that's going to come in. That'll be the start of the legs. We'll make a little line that's going to curve up and down. And same thing here, another little line that's just going to curve up and down. I'll bring this line in on each side, but I'm not going to have them touch. Then I'll bring this line up and in. And same thing here, up and then in. We'll make a little line across. And then I'm going to make two little lines on each foot here, just for some little toes. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in. And then same thing here, we're just going to go out and in. That'll be the start of the back legs. We'll make another line that's just going to curve around and in. And same thing here, curve around and then in. And then we'll draw a little line on each side. Now let's go ahead and make a tail. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and around like this. Then I'll do the same thing. I'm going to start in. I'm going to make it come a little bit bigger as I bring it around. And then I'll make a couple little points right here. Now, once we have our little black cat, then we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two parts of our black cat. So we want to fill this up with a lot of little Halloween cats. So let's start down here. I'm going to begin by bringing each side up just a little bit above the fold. And then I'm going to make two little points on each side, just so it looks like there's a little fur on our cat. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here, kind of like with a nice big long curve. I'm going to put a couple little points for some fur. And then I'm going to bring this down to here. Now, I want to make a little face. So let's start with the nose. I'll begin by drawing a little line across. And then a little V shape that goes down and then up. I'll make a line that's going to go down and up here. And then one right here. It's going to go down and up for the little cheeks. I'll make a line that's going to go down and then up here for the mouth. I'll draw a little curve for the tongue. And then two little triangles for some teeth. And then right here, I'm going to make two little sad faces for the eyes. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down for an ear. And the same thing here, we're just going to go up and then down for an ear. Then we'll draw a little triangle shape right inside of each one. Now let's make some more little cats in here. So over here, I want to make another little cat. We'll do a little witch cat over here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a big sad face for the eyes. So we'll draw two big sad faces. We'll make a little line that curves across for the eyes. Then I'll put a big oval shape inside each one. And then I'll put a couple oval shapes and circles inside of here for some reflections. And then we can go ahead and color each one of these in, just to kind of show where the eyes are and the reflections are going to be. I'll make a little triangle shape for the nose. And then we'll make two little lines that curve down for the mouth. Right across here, I'm going to make a long line. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. I'll do a couple points on each side. Then I'm going to bring this in. And make a little line that comes down here. I'll draw two little lines on each side for some whiskers. And then let's make a hat on here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'm going to bring this around and in. And then to make this like a witch's hat, let's draw a line that's going to come up and down. We'll make another line that comes up here. And I'll make a line right here. Then let's just draw a little line across here. Now let's make another cat over here. So starting right here, I'm going to begin by making our two big sad faces for the eyes. We'll make a line across each one. And then this time I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to color in this whole thing. So I'm going to color in this entire eye over here. Next we'll make our little triangle shape for the nose. I'll make a little line that's going to come down and up on each side. And then a little line that goes down and up, and I'll color this in for the mouth. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and in. We'll do the same thing, just curve around and bring this up. I'll draw a line that's going to come up and down for an ear. And same thing here, up and down. With a little line across. We're going to turn this one into a little ghost cat. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line up and then down for an arm. And same thing here, up and down. We'll bring this down and then make it a little wavy right here. And we'll just bring this line in. And we'll just connect this line right there. Then we'll add two little lines for some whiskers on each side. Now, over here, let's make another cat. I'm going to begin by drawing two little lines that come down here. We're going to curve this line down and up, and curve this line down and up. Let's go ahead and make two little curved lines in here. I'm going to make a little line that goes over, down, and up for the nose. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up, and down and up. I'm going to color in most of this right here, leaving just a little bit white on each side. And then I'll make a little line that just goes down and up for a tongue, with a little line down. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up on each side. We'll make it a little pointy on each side. Then I'll bring this up on each side. We'll make a little line that goes up and down, and then up and down for some ears, with a little line across. We'll make some little triangles in here with some zigzags across just to make the inside of the ears. And then we'll make two little lines that come down. And then we'll make a little line that comes down. Now, starting here, let's work on this cat. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down and up, and then down and up for the cheeks. We'll make a little curved line for the mouth. I'll bring this line down and we'll put a couple little points on each side. So bring it down, put a couple points. I'll bring this in and bring this in here. And then I'll bring these two lines down. Now I want to add two more little cats in here. So over here I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that curves across. I'm going to bring this up and down and then up and down. I'm going to put a little line that comes up, over, and down for a stem. This is going to be like a little top of a pumpkin. Make a line here, and then a line down. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then in a couple times, and then same thing here, out, and then in a couple times. and we're just going to bring these lines in. We'll draw 2 lines down. And then I'm going to make a circle for an eye on each side. I'm going to draw a little line down with a couple circles inside of here. Then we'll just go ahead and color this in, and we'll color this part in. We'll draw a little nose for our cat, and a little line that comes down and up on each side. Then we'll make a little line that comes up and down on each side for the ears, with a couple little whiskers. And I like to add a little triangle inside each ear. And then right over here, I'm going to make a little mummy cat. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and I'm going to come down. I'm going to draw 2 little lines that come down here, and then 2 lines here, and then a little triangle up here. I'm going to make a circle here, and then part of a circle right here. And then we'll just design the eyes how we've drawn all the others. We'll just add a couple circles in there, and then color in the rest. I'll make a little nose, and a little mouth, with a little sad face right here, and we'll kind of color in most of this. Draw a little triangle here. And then that'll be kind of like our little mummy cat. We can even put a little eyebrow or 2 up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a black cat surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, I have a little black cat, and then when I open it up, we can see that there's a bunch of little black cats inside of there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.